Hey fellow YouTubers, this is my 2006 Chevy Corvette and today I'm gonna install hood vents. So these are the knockoff vents that I got. I think these are Jaguar style knockoff vents. Unfortunately for me, I didn't actually get a template that will guide me through the cutting process of the hood. So I had to make a template for myself. So the first thing I did was I kind of understood the area where it's supposed to glue into the hood. So you definitely don't want to cut where it would overlap here, so it won't glue well. But instead, I found this lining around that kind of helped me guide my template. So that's exactly what I did. I put this piece of paper on top of it, drew around it, cut a template, and this is what I'm gonna use to figure out what the cutting canvas of my hood's gonna be. Alright guys, so here's what I did. For me to get a good measurement, I had to flip the scoops the other way around so I can draw perfectly. Now both the scoops are symmetrical, so this is the actual passenger side scoop, but instead I took the driver side scoop, flipped it the other way around so that I can draw the base canvas so I get a rough idea. So let's see how that goes. Okay. Now I am drawing with a dry erase marker, so I know that I can, just wipe it off once I'm done. Alright, so there you go. Now on top of this, I'm going to put my canvas. That's going to sit like that. There you go. So this is my cutting area, and I just got to figure out how to mark that now. Alright guys, so I've cut the holes for the hood. There you go, that's one. I did have to cut this end just a little bit. I'll open the hood so we can take a closer look. That's the other side. I used a dry erase marker to make sure my measurements were quite accurate, hopefully so. And that's how it looks on the other end. And yeah, there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install these hood vents. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna do the other side now, and let's see how the final outcome is.